let's talk about the load resistor. The load resistor is a small component located right here. It's cylindrical in shape and has metal fins encased in a ceramic coating going around the outside. The load resistor's job is to take the extra electricity from the alternator and dissipate it as heat. When the load resistor fails, you'll feel a couple of different things. Either you'll feel alternating resistance, which means that it comes and goes as the resistor cools down or heats back up. Or, in a case where you've got a really bad resistor, you won't have any resistance in the pedals. So what we want to do is follow the wires from the load resistor to the lower control board and unplug this connector. And you just want to do that carefully because you could damage the connector here or actually damage the lower control board. For the next part, you're going to take your meter and you're going to set it to the 20k ohm setting. For this resistor, when we plug it in, I'm just going to insert each probe into the connector here. If you don't have enough room, you can also insert into the back of the connector like this. The reading you should get on your meter, as we can see, is 2.5 ohms. So this is a good load resistor. If you get a reading that is higher than 2.5 ohms, you want to go ahead and take this out because that will take away the effectiveness of the alternator to regulate the resistance. We talked about the alternator brushes before and how their contact inside of the alternator creates resistance. And when we do that, we have a lot of electricity. So if this resistor cannot get rid of heat, then we will get too much electricity to the brushes and the pedals will go too fast. So that's how to test your load resistor.